just a little bit about my background, but only a little bit, because this course is more about you than what it is about me. I've always been passionate about driving. As far back as I can recall, I often dreamt about driving, way before the age where I could get a driver's license. After obtaining my driver's license, I attended an accredited advanced driver's course. Over the years, I've put into practice and refined the principles that I've learned, consequently building up a knowledge base of experience. At some point, I thought it may be a good idea to document my observations. As I did so, this document just kept growing and growing. Next, I started considering how I can best share this information with others. Ultimately, I decided on a website, which includes real-life videos as the main training material. Insofar as the videos go, I've scrutinized more than 10,000, covering a wide variety of scenarios in order to compile this course. It is my sincere hope that what I have learned over the years will be able to benefit both you and your loved ones in order to stay safe on the streets. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.